For day one assignment, we need to watch our podcast and second, and then click on build button so that our notebook will be created. Then go to copy and edit button. Just click there and then our notebook will open. Then click on add-on. So after clicking on add-on, we are going to add API key. So just click on secret, then click on add secret. Then we are going to open our Google AI Studio to get our API key. Before that, paste your Google API key label and then go to Google AI Studio, go to get API key. There, API key will be generated. So here our API key has been generated. So we are going to paste this on key value and then save. And then we are going to run each cell one by one so that we can get our output. So I am running each cell one by one. One by one, now we are going to save our assignment. So for that, I'm going to save it with my name Aishwarya underscore API or AI. Just save it. Then go to second assignment. For that, you again need to click on code copy and edit, and assignment 2 will be open. You just have to again add API key and then run all cell. After running all cell, you just need to submit again your assignment and again save with any name you like. Like again, I'm going to save with my name Aishwarya underscore day one. Just save it. And if you want to see your work, just go to your profile and then click on work, and here you can see all the work.